before, all dirty, dingy, foggy, and basically useless. Alright, so to replace the headlights, it's very simple. As you can see, I already did the passenger side. You pull off the grill. Mine is not held on by any bolts or anything, so literally you just grab it and pull it straight off. In order to get the headlights out, you pull up this tab here, one tab in there, and it pops right out. Alright, a few seconds later, so you can see this clip just slides up. That clip in there just slides up. They go into these little rubber things, and then headlight comes out. This is definitely a good time to check your bulbs and make sure that they work. As you can see, that one's blown. It ain't doing anything. Thankfully, that's the one that goes right up on top. Right here. So it's not really that big a deal. It runs the side marker area. But I need to replace that since obviously it's kind of blown. Alright, so as you can see, set this down. This is the little rubber tab. There's one top and bottom on both sides, both headlights. So what you want to do, make sure that those are fully seated in the brackets there before you knock that little tab down. Once you do knock that down, it's a long piece, it slides and locks both of those in. So these are my old headlights. I'm not going to need them anymore. Probably just going to throw them in the trash because they're pretty garbage. And now that that's done, we have our after. That looks a hell of a lot better. Now I know there's a big gap there. Well, I never put the air box back on, and frankly, this is my daily. I kind of don't care. Got into an accident a couple years ago and half-assed put it back together so I could put it back on the road, and it runs and drives straight, so I kind of don't care. But that's the process to really change the look of that front end. We'll see you next time.